Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10. As you all guys can see, this is the order package. We also get a Samsung watch and wireless charger though. Now let's open the Samsung Galaxy S10 box. As you all guys can see, this is the wireless door. You all guys can see a nice wireless charging. Also we will get what's inside this package. As you all guys can see, we will also get a Galaxy watch with it. You all guys can see, this is a pretty watch. I'm really in love with it. I will gonna open it. Yes, as you all guys can see, this is the Galaxy wireless charge. Let's put this also, and let's see what we also get. Let's see, we'll get a lot of things. As you all guys can see, this is another, I think, another something else, and some paper. As you all guys can see, this happening, and you also will get what this again, also another belt again. That's all for the watch. And you'll also get this cover, this paper, quick start guide, and you also get a Type-C and a charger with it. Nice, thanks Samsung. What's this? This is 12 watt output, 9 volt, 5 volt, and this is I think 12 volt, 2.1 ampere, and this is it. Now guys, for the main event, you all guys can see, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. 128 GB of internal storage, 8 GB of RAM, stereo speaker, and earphone sound by AKG. And you also get 6.1 inch Quad HD dynamic Super AMOLED display, super speed dual pixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 16 megapixel, and 12 megapixel for OIS. Dual pixel, 10 megapixel for selfie, ultrasonic fingerprint under screen. Now guys, let's open it. This is one of the best phones I've ever seen in the world, and now we will unbox the package. Guys, we will now unbox the Samsung package. Now let's open it, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. If not, just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to fix it as soon as possible. Guys, this is the package, and this phone is really pretty phone. Even at 6.1 inch, it's so small in the hand. Guys, now let's power up this beast. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S10. And we also get this serial number. I also get another fast charge. I also get a micro USB A to USB Type-C. I also get a wired Type-C, and we also get AKG headphone. Guys, this phone still got the headphone jack. I'm really fan of it. I also get a stereo speaker. Now let's boot up this phone and finish the startup. Quick setting. Let's finish it next. Let's see. Let's close everything. Now let's finish it. Skip anyway. Skip. Finish. Wow, so speed. Guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. You all guys can see it about the phones. Galaxy S10 software information, One UI version 1.1, Android 9 version, Android Pie. Let's, as you all guys can see, G973. Guys, this was the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Any speed test, any comparison you want in the future, just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to do it with this phone, this beast. If you want, we will do it with the Mate 20 or Mi Mix 3. Any speed test you want, just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to do it for you as soon as possible. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. If not, just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to do it to fix the problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.